Good morning, students. This is the lecture for class 3rd, subject English. So, this is our second lecture and this is for solution of the assignment 1. That means the homework which I have given to you in the lecture first. So, you have to take care and you have to check your work. The assignment which I have given you as a homework is arrange the group of given words given below in correct order and make sentences. Arrange the group of words given below in correct order and make sentences. So the first one is your homework must do regularly you. And the answer for it is you must do your homework regularly. Your first alphabet should be capital and you have to put full stop in the end. So I proceed with the second sentence, and the second sentence is books the cells on there are. So these are the words which you have to arrange, and the correct answer for it is there are books on the cells. C. The park in the boys are playing. The boys are playing in the park. Now the D part here is the dog animal a faithful? Is the dog animal a faithful? The dog is a faithful animal. You have to take care the capital letter, the punctuation marks. Your sentence should make sense. Your sentence should have subject. Your sentence should have subject, verb and object. So you have to take care all the things which I have told you in lecture first. E part. Children good the truth always tell. The answer will be good children always tell the truth. Good children always tell the truth. So this is the correct answer. Now F part. My birthday 16th July on is. So the correct sentence will be my birthday is on 16th July. My birthday is on 16th July. G part. Often goes my uncle by plane to Delhi. Often goes my uncle by plane to Delhi. My uncle often goes to Delhi by plane. So I hope all of you have completed your homework and your sentences are correct. I hope so. If your sentences are not correct, few sentences you have done wrong, so you have to do the correction work, and in the correction work you have to write the sentence twice. Now again I will recall the points which you have to take care while making sentence. A sentence must begin with capital letter. A sentence must have commas, full stop and other such marks in correct place. That means you should have put these marks on the correct place. That means that full stop at the end of the sentence, question mark at the end of the sentence. Your first letter should be capital and your sentence should make sense, and sentence must have a subject. So you have to take care and you have to do the correction work. So do the correction as usual, and I'll meet you in the third lecture very soon. Thank you.